have you ever experienced your soap becoming like this? Look at it. Oil separating, water separating. Has that been your choice? Just stay back and wash. You're in the right place. I'll be putting on how to correct it. It's very simple. Don't throw your soap away. Just let's sit back and wash how it is done. Okay, this is the soap. So what do? Okay, once again, you're welcome to my channel. I appreciate your time in coming to my video. Thanks so much. God bless you. You are really welcome. Today I'll be putting on those troubleshooting in soap making. Troubleshooting in soap making. Are there the experiences some of the soap makers have, and then you think the end of it has come, oh, you have missed it, and all that is not so. Yes, have you ever experienced your soap becoming like this? Look at it. Oil separating, water separating. Has that been your choice? Just stay back and wash. You're in the right place. I'll be putting on how to correct it. It's very simple. Don't throw your soap away. Just let's sit back and wash how it is done. Okay, this is the soap. So what do? I just break it. Okay, break it into pieces. Break it into pieces. Of course, we can use our knife for it. Break it into pieces. I will be melting it together. Okay, so what do? Let me put everything here. Put all your soap, pack everything there. Okay, you don't need to be throwing your soap away when you mate it, and I will still be showing us some of the troubleshooting we have in soap making. Some of them becoming grainy, it's not smooth. What do we do when we have such? Okay, so I have this here, and so what I'll be doing with it, just get some pieces of the soap you have made before, those ones that were okay, and we'll be cutting them. Okay, just slice them to it. Okay, you don't need to be throwing them away, just cut them in pieces and then add to it. Okay, and your soap will bounce back. I like as people patronize and then just put your soap, break it as many pieces as you want, but all the same you wash the one you are correcting. Don't let the okay, let's take it to the fire now. We are going to double boil it. Let's go there. Okay, you can see it's already melted. By the time all of them melt, you see the outcome of it. When it is completely melted, I come and show us. You don't need to be throwing your soap away. It's soap, oh, I'm not making salad. Okay, now. Okay, so look at it. So you don't need to be wasting your soap if it's not so. I pack it now. By the time it's solidified, everything will now melt together. You can see it. Okay. By the time it's solidified, even those knots you are seeing, it will no more be there. Everything will melt together. Okay, let me pack it very well. Did not fill up the cavity. It's okay. When it's solidified, I'll come back and show us. Thanks so much for staying back. Okay, so our batch soap is ready. So when it's solidified, I'll come back to show us. You don't have to be throwing them away. If you are here to subscribe, why not? Please do put on the notification bell once you subscribe, so that each time I upload new content, I will appreciate you to be among the first set of people that will remove, that will get it. And you know, as you like it, as you share it, as you comment, I so much appreciate it. God bless you. Thanks so much. Thank you. See you when it's solidified. We come back to see it. Okay, it's time to unmold our rebatching soap. Okay. Can you see? You don't need to be wasting your soap again. But adventure, it is not. There's a separation of water and oil, and then instead of throwing it away, there's nothing to throw away in soap production. You can see it will come out well. Okay, this is the quantity I did, so it didn't fill up this cavity. That's why it's like this. You can see your soap is ready. Pack this and you're good to go. Stop wasting your chemical and hard earned money. Okay, thanks so much. Like it, share it, and give it a good comment. God bless you. See you later.